Okay, so now I will show how to create a project in the Unity Hub. So you just click the new project. And if you have multiple version Unity editor, you could choose which version you want to implement. 就是如果你有多个 Unity 的版本的话，你可以选你要用哪一个版本啊。但是如果你电脑就一个，那就不用选，因为没得选的，反正都是一样。And now we will choose the 3D URP core. So let me explain what's the difference about the 3D core URP and the 3D HDRP. The difference is about the rendering environment. Rendering 就是游戏它是即时运算 ，the game is real-time computing about the rendering. Yeah. So the 3D core is the legacy rendering environment. It's traditional. It's built-in render. OK， 这是传统的。这就是 Unity 刚开始就是这一个 ，Yeah. But the URP and the HDRP is newer rendering environment, and the universal rendering pipeline is more general for Android, PC, and any kinds of environment. But if your game will running in better hardware spec, you could choose the HDRP for better computation hardware. 如果你确定你的顾客端，就是你发布出来的游戏，可以跑在硬体比较好的电脑，你就用这一个。The HDRP support better visual effects， 就是它会提供比较好的视觉效果，但是提供比较好的视觉效果，意味着你的硬体计算能力要更强。So now, if you want to run the VR application, I will recommend you to choose the URP because it just supports the general environment. Yeah. So we just choose the 3D core URP, and then you just choose what your project will located in which location. Is do not the location. I recommend you do not have a Chinese word. 你们的这个路径不要有中文字，就是这个路径。尽量不要有中文字，因为我发现很多同学喜欢输入中文，然后入境中文，入境中有中文，然后你的专案也是中文。I must say the Unity is English version. Is compiled is for English. So if your project name or your location path has the Chinese words, I cannot expect whether has any error in your system. 就是我没有办法预期它会出现错误哦。所以我建议就是英文跟数字哦，在你要命名专案跟你的路径或是你的档名，建议都是以英文跟数字为主，因为它还是以英文为主的编译哦，英文为主的编译的环境，你不要找他麻烦，他就不会找你麻烦，对不对？Okay, so this is your project will located and this is your project name. Okay, and you just create project and maybe wait 5 minutes to wait the Unity editor. It may cost you 5 minutes or 10 minutes to open 就是一刚开始然后你要慢就是慢你就等它打开 Okay, so we go back to the Unity Hub. We go back to Unity Hub because I have something I forgot to remind you. Yeah. In here, I have the 2022.3 version. And now I just have Android and Windows support. If I want to add more module, you just click this part. You can choose the add module. 就是如果你之后你想要安装其他平台的，你可以在这边安装。So 语言也是一样 ，the language package also install here. So you just add module. Okay, so you can see the Linux, Mac, Universal Windows, Web, and this is the language pack. So if you want your Unity editor has the traditional merging, please add the module. 这样了解吗 ？Traditional Chinese. 刚才2.28没看到，对。
What differences between simplified Chinese and traditional Chinese?
What
are differences between simplified Chinese and traditional Chinese?
I don't know what you mean. 什么意思啊
In this country, they speak simplified Chinese.
Big Five.
Simplified.
Simplify.
Yes.
Simplify.
Belongs to where?
这个Simplify Chinese.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here.
Where people speak simplified Chinese?
This is Simplified Chinese, and this is traditional Chinese.
Here you use traditional Chinese, yes?
Yeah. In Taiwan, we use the traditional Chinese. Yeah.盛华，是这边安装了之后，我还要去 preference 那边选。
Yeah. You
因为它的预设是不会启用的。
Okay, because my editor has no, I just use the English, so they have no language option. So if I install the, 那我不要重开。So I need, if I install the traditional, 哦，不行，它是要不行是吗？诶，可以耶，好，等一下。And I need to reopen, so I need to close. Okay, I just close the project, close the hub, 是 hub 把它打开，然后再重新 reopen. If I choose the traditional Chinese version, I need to reopen. OK， 这边就有吗？
在那个下午
那
个下本是
你说在
左边那个编号设定的那个左边那边，
左边
它有个 language，
有哦，
在 Active Manager 上面，
这里吗？
下面一点
Job 哦，
它 L 开头。
哦，对，这里，OK， 好。然后我们之前没有这个选项。After you install the other language package, you will see the language option in your edit preferences, and you can change to different language interface. But I just use the default. Yeah. I think this is EMI courses. The English is better choices. Okay, and then if your layout, if your work environment layout, I will recommend you to choose the tool, the layout, yeah, the tool. And so I will introduce the windows, different tool windows in scene. This is the scene environment. You could see the 3D environment is for your editing. You can, in this environment, we have a light. So you could, if you click the light in the scene windows, you could show the directional light in hierarchy window. Yeah. So the scene window and hierarchy window is synchronized, but showing different kind of structure. This is hierarchy structure, and this is present in visual information. Yeah. 所以呢，在这个 scene 跟 hierarchy 它其实是同时的，你可以一起看。hierarchy 跟 scene 它是同时的。那 hierarchy 它是用树状结构的方式去显示你在场景上面的物件。然后 scene 的 Windows 呢是显示 用视觉的方式，因为这个是一个3D 的环境3D 的环境。So how could you to move the same environment? You can scrolling the middle mouse click. You scrolling the middle mouse click. You can zoom in and zoom out the same environment. 所以那个中间那个滑鼠的滚轮，你就是去滚它，它就可以帮你放大缩小这个整个编辑环境。那如果你要 ，if you want to pen move, you just press the middle mouse button, just click and drag it. OK， 这是平移啊。如果你想要平移移动到你的这整个环境，这是环境这个跟就是你编辑的时候，你想要去平移移到某个地方去做其他的编辑，你可以用这种方式。If you want to rotate your scene environment, you just click Auto key plus right mouse button and Auto key. You can rotate, you could rotate the scene environment. Auto, ALT key, and right mouse click. Okay. So the middle mouse click is full scale, full zoom in and zoom out, or pen move. If you want to rotate, you just press the ALT key and left mouse button. 我想一下就是如果你要轮印或是轮 out 的话，你就是用你的 middle mouse， 你就按着它，你要按着它，按着它涂 press and drag。因为你按着然后拖拉，不是，应该是 scrolling。就是如果你 scene 要 zoom out， 就是你的middle mouse 的 button， 你就按着就是去滚动它。那如果你要 pen 就是平移pen move 的话 ，move， 你是 middle mouse button， press and drag。然后如果你是要去 rotate， 如果你要 rotate 整个那个环境的话，你是要按 ALT 再加上 left mouse button。Yeah. So it's for scene. Scene. 只会心率而已。Or you can use the tool. Yeah, you can use the tool. Okay, so let's take a break. Let's take a break. So let's start the Windows introduction. And okay. So I have give you a link about the Unity interface introduction. So if I have not enough time to introduce the interface completely, so you could reference the official documentation to see the details. Okay. But for me, I just quickly introduce the hierarchy and the thing is for your editor. So if in the hierarchy windows, there has a plus icon. You just click here. You could add different kinds of different assets in the thing. So I could choose 3D object plane. Okay. So you will have a plane in your thing. And now, if you want to scale the object, you could choose this icon. Okay. And this is scale, this is rotation, and this is move. All this tool is for object. All this tool is for object. Yeah. So if we click here, we can move it. Or click this, we can move it. And this is rotate the the object. And this is scale. Also here, we will introduce the inspect window. The inspect window is the property for this object. So if we choose the main camera, we could see the property is different. Yeah, the property is different. So you choose line, the property is different. And if you want to move, you also could change the property about XYZ, because this is 3D environment. And we add a 3D object. So you could add different kinds of basic. This is basic 3D object. This is capsule. Yeah. And they have a hotkey. This is W for move, E for rotate, R for scale. So sometimes I will use the hotkey to move or rotate or to scale. You could add different kinds of 3D object in a scene. Okay. So this is the first solution to add some asset in your scene. But the object supported by Unity is all basic. It's all basic. 就是对 Unity 来讲，它在这边给你的都是最基本的物件，然后不那么漂亮，你有可能需要自己再多一点设计的。But if you want more beautiful assets, okay, you could get from the asset store. The Unity Asset Store support you more different kinds of assets about the audio and the 3D or character. So we just click on the Windows Asset Store, and the list we will link to the website, the Unity Asset Store website. 所以呢，我们可以从这个 Unity 的专案这边，我们可以选择，如果你不会自己做素材，然后你想要用一些现成的素材，你可以从 Windows Asset Store， 然后连到 Unity 的它的官方的素材库 ，OK， 所以，跑哪里去了 ？OK。人爱无去okay. And here we could select I like to choose the low poly. Low poly is simple 3D model. I will click the low poly, but you could see they have many kinds of asset package. Each package has different prices. Yeah, but you also could choose the free price. Okay, you could choose the free access. 我们可以选择免费的素材，可以选择免费的素材。那然后很多的素材可以选，奇怪，好像多好多。这很像卖块的。Metropolicity， 其实你们可以自己打你们想要的关键字。You could search the keyword you want. Yeah， 这是 asset 就是素材，然后我选择 OK，I just choose the low poly modern city。OK。所以我就选择城市的，假设我就选择一个 low poly modern city， 而且是 free 的，free。Very simple, good for adding detail for, okay. And what you need to remind is the original， 就是它刚开始是为什么 Unity 开发的。那他这边说4.3.4，你可以想象4.3.4是多久以前 非常久以前的Unity，他是说刚开始2017年，现在2024年了，对。对，所以呢，你可能可以自己想一下，你可以想一下 ，OK。Okay, so I think it's okay for me. So I just click add to my asset. Oh, and I just click accept. But you must note the file size. It's only 1.4 MB. I have loaded a very large file, about gigabit. So you need to notice the file size. 我曾经下载过一个超过 G 以上的 package， 我真的是快疯掉了。我只是要填空。I just want a more beautiful skyline or skybox. The package file size is gigabyte. So maybe you also need to notice the file size. Okay. 所以你们要小心，你下载下来的会不会很大 ？Too large. Okay, so you can go to my assets. Okay, add to my assets. 我刚刚点啊，我刚刚点吗？对，wait, not. Assets only in your Unity ID website. So, okay, open in Unity. And you can know there has a window. It means a package manager window will show in your Unity. Package manager window. Package manager window. Every asset you download from the Unity store, it will show in the package manager here, low poly model city. Yeah. And you need to click download. After download, you need to click import. The download is downloaded in your PC, in your computer. It's not for your project. The import is put the file into your project. Yeah. So after you need to download and then import to your project. And then you will see the asset here, in the project window under the assets folder. And in here, I want to explain if your asset is pink. this is why I want to explain why your asset is pink. For this kind of assets, is built for legacy render environment. For this assets, it's all built for， 来我问一下，因为如果你的素材下载下来是粉红色全粉，那就代表它一刚开始是is built for the legacy the built-in render. It's not for URP. So, okay. So how we to fix the problem? How we fix the problem? So I will show you how to fix this. Fix the problem. If I drag too small, okay. 把它放大。I scale the object is all pink. How could I fix the problem? You will see the mesh render. The mesh render, you will see it has two material. You just click the material. Yeah. Click the material and go to the edit rendering material, convert, select built-in material to URP. Yeah. So, and you could see all the material in here. 你可以看到所有的素材，应该说 material 材质球，我们都知道材质球，刚才全选好了，然后就全部把它转换，它会自动把所有本来是给传统渲染环境的转成现在的这个 URP 渲染环境。等一下。看一下这个，我拉上去，看一下。我的太小了，too small，too small。其实都转好了。记得它转的，the transform， the fix， the rendering material，the convert is for material, not for object。它不是针对物件本身，它是针对物件的材质，它是针对物件的皮，这样了解吗？不是物件本身，是物件的皮，它的皮需要转成 URP。Okay. This is car blue， 蓝色的车车，蓝色车车在哪？看一下，蓝色的车车。好小字啊。Okay. If the scaling you want to use the manual is too slow, then you can choose the scale. The transform scale. 我把这个解开。如果只有 XY, if I change the XY to 10, 我的滑鼠很烂，我的烂滑鼠，对不起，很烂的滑鼠。10号太小了，50，好 First, it has an icon for constraint proportion, or for constraint proportion. If you enable the icon, the three direction will change it for the proportion. But if you disable the icon, each direction has its own has its own value。就是如果你把这个打开，如果把这个打开的话，你只要输入一个方向的，其他三个方向会跟着你等比例放大缩小。可是如果你把这个关掉的话，每一个方向可以有它自己的，你自己去设定它的值，对，看你要等比例还是要不等比例都可以。So I will repeat you about the legacy render, the built-in render for convert to URP. You just choose the mesh render material and click the material ball. Yeah, you just need to click on the material ball and go to the edit render materials convert selected built-in material to URP. Okay. Because the URP render is new, it is a new technology in Unity. 就是 URP 跟 HDRP 它是比较新的渲染技术，所以比较旧的或是比较早期的素材，你要去做它的材质的转换，不然它会全部都粉红色。这是一般的同学在用素材库的时候最常遇到的问题。竟然没有轮子哦，没有轮子。Okay, so today's class is done. You just try your Unity and try put the ancestral package in your Unity project. And try to use the package object in your scene. Drag the object into your scene and scale its size. 怎么这么多路？这个都是路。Okay, so this is the cross content.
Which part you added as